Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that, no doubt about it, today was quite the nice move. I mean, from where it was here to where it ultimately closed, good solid day, nobody can argue that. But that brings up the question, well, is there any sort of true strength behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine power, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, fake breakout? I have no idea, but the good news is, like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level. And that level is right here at, we'll call it the $7 mark. Why is $7 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength that are truly breaking out, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price is truly breaking out, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $7. Any sort of closes below 7, or if the price, pulls back to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend it heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would we have in this situation? Well, you'd have this set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have progress in the upwards direction. So to me, $7 is very important in regards to, answering the question on whether today's price movement is truly strong or just kind of a one-day type thing. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upward move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? First area is just simply, if you're watching level 2s today, I'm sure you noticed it quite a bit, that whenever the price got right up around that $7.50 mark, bulls just couldn't quite push through. So that's going to be the initial area of resistance right there at, again, $7.50. After that, not to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, always a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the chart's history. So after $7.50, next key level of resistance right up there at, what is that, about $7.65. So $7.50, $7.65, next two key battlegrounds. But it's all about right now making progress, and you don't want to see the price fall back inside of the range of the chart, because again, that's just not what truly strong breakouts do. Breakouts get continuation, right? Breakouts don't go back to where they were. All in all, though, a very healthy day any way you look at it. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum for the remainder of the week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.